Hi, my name is Sureshraj Dhanabal. I'm the executive chef of Meen Room in Bristol. Today, I cooked the Kerala style fish with the red mullet, wrapped with the banana leaf. So the banana leaf steamed together with the masalas and the fish to give it a natural flavor and then aroma to the fish. Really good flavor to them. Today we blowtorch the banana leaf. Usually we cook with the open fire, so it's easy to fold it. The red mullet is from the Brixham. It's very local, supplied by Drought Fresh.